Hello, everyone. Good morning. And this is Sunday Live, as usual. So, Pratik is here. Hello, Pratik. How are you? Waiting for it. Yeah, today I'm a little bit late. So, we have Nishant. Hi, Nishant. How are you? Then, Debut. Hello. So, okay. So, I have pinned this time a newsletter link and the Discord channel link. So Discord server link. So if you want to join Discord server of Bitfumes, the link is pinned at the top. And if you want to join the newsletter, that's also there. So this is the thing I did this time. And this is called learning. Every time I do, people asking for Discord link and newsletter link. So I just pinned it right here. So, Saurabh is here. Hi, Saurabh, how are you? Shivam, Arav, Shirod, what's that? Shirod, right. How are you? I'm very fine. How are you, Shirod? Nishant, I'm fine. What about you? Safe and healthy? Yes, I'm safe and healthy. I hope everyone is fine. And I don't know about news, but I heard that the corona wave, second wave, is slowing down. There is less case every day now, so that's a good thing. Hopefully, we will finish this as soon as possible. And the vaccination is also on its pace, so no hurry on that. The biggest thing is just stay in home, chill, and just enjoy this moment. This is what you can do. Nothing else. Have you taken the vaccine? No, I didn't get the slot, so that's the issue. But it's okay, since I'm at home, everybody is at home, so we don't have to worry as much as like our health. So make sure you are healthy. Vaccination is obviously a good thing. You have to take it, but don't rush on it. Just wait for some weeks. Government is doing very nice things as they can, so everything will be fine soon. So is it good to go to Blitz full stack React framework, which has zero API system, which generally generates API automatically? Okay, so I think using Blades full stack React, yes, you can do that. But see, in my opinion, if you have the knowledge of other things, then you will step into this. That's a good thing. But if you directly step into this thing, that's not a good thing, because then how you know that how to create API, how to handle it. So first, don't jump jump on the stairs. So you have to take one step at a time, learn things. And I'm not saying that you should work years and years on just creating the API and then go to Blitz. First, learn how to create the API, how to manage the API, and then move to this Blitz kind of things. Okay, new 8.39 has good feature of password compromise, right, Shashank? And I'm actually waiting for Laravel 9 official release, so that I can rewrite my in-depth Laravel course. That's the plan, so that I will create all the courses available on the in-depth Laravel course in Laravel 9. So that will be a huge upgrade on in-depth Laravel course. And obviously, who has already purchased it, they don't have to do anything on that, because at that time the updates will be available for free. But who have not purchased it, the price will be obviously high, since it's going to include the previous version of course plus the version 9. That's just a plan, because Laravel 9 will release in September, and that's a huge time. So after September, when it's completely released, then I'll start working on the videos 2 3 months. So maybe next year January, till December or January, you will get the course. So that's a huge time. Don't worry about that. Just a simple update or whatever I'm planning this with Laravel 9. Tesla will be going to accept Doge as a payment mode. Your review, sir. Okay, so I'm very happy because I have the Doge. So that's the good point. I will not be happy, and uh, I will not happy with the Tesla if I didn't have that Doge. But since I own some, not some, many Doges, Dogecoins, so that's a good thing. And really, this is a good part of Tesla or Elon Musk, that they are encouraging the new technology and the cryptocurrency. But maybe you have recently read that Tesla has now put hold on Bitcoin purchasing for the Tesla cars, because Bitcoin mining takes lots and lots of energy, and that's not an environment friendly thing. So that's why they have dropped the purchase of Tesla cars using Bitcoin, but they are moving to the Dogecoin. I don't have that much of in-depth knowledge on the Doge thing, but yes, that's a good emerging thing. And Doge is totally pushed by Elon, so obviously he has all the rights to use it any way he want. Today I will order the Bitfume tea and sticker. Sure, Saurabh, you can just message me. You have my WhatsApp number, so you just message me, and I'm going to provide that for you. Sure, that's definitely my promise. Let me just have a message. Just I have to message one thing. I am. Okay, so that's done. Sorry about that. That was a very important message I had to send. Okay, so let's get back. Arav says, has her having 6 years of experiences in front end. So for now, is that necessary to invest in stock? Are you investing in stock? I believe that doesn't matter if you have experience or not. Investing in stocks is always is a good thing. Why? See, 10 or 20 years ago, the price of the price of one share of a Maruti Suzuki company was around some 200 300 rupees, and now it's I believe 3,000 4,000. So see, in just 10 or 20, 10 or 15 years, it's 10 times. Is it 10 times or 100 times, whatever it is? So you can see the profit you are getting. So it's always a good thing. And it's not related to stock. The logic is very simple. Whatever you earn, suppose you have earned $10, not 10, let's say $100, then you put $10 on a stock. Simple. Whatever you are earning. So if you are earning $100,000, put $100 on stock. That's a simple. Okay, so please make where's that? Complete CDs on multi-auth using Vue.js. Multi-auth with Vue.js. So is it going to related with the Laravel? Are you talking about the Laravel and Vue front end? Okay, so Newhin is here. Hello, everyone. Janam is there. So what is better for job? There's algo or making project in web development? Better for job. Okay, see, for getting instant job, web development is good, but for getting a higher level of job, you need to have the algorithm knowledge. Algorithm can give you the knowledge of algorithm, can provide you a very high paying job. That's a sure thing. But how do you get to that level? You need to first know the basics, and that basics comes from the web development. So just a path I can suggest: start with the web development, but on the side learn about the algorithms. That's a very easy thing you can do. So they are not going to accept Bitcoin? No, they are not going to accept Bitcoin. What's your thought on Laravel versus Symphony? Laravel is developer friendly. Symphony is innovative. So you know that Laravel uses many Symphony packages. So Symphony is very core, I can say, framework of PHP. Laravel is a developer friendly framework of PHP. So if you work on Laravel or if you work on Symphony, both are similar since Laravel uses Symphony framework. But when you work on Laravel, there are lots of hidden things or out of the box thing you already get, but that's not in case of Symphony. So I can say that Symphony is a core close to PHP, but Laravel is close to developer. Hey, Elliot, Elliot is here. So, if you guys don't know, Elliot is my colleague. He and me work on some project. So I can't reveal that here, but he's here. That's cool. Amazing. So Arav says some emoji thing, and then he says, "Hi sir, having 6 years. Oh, same thing. I want Bitfume t-shirt and sticker too. Nishant, you have to message me for that, and you can order Bitfume t-shirt and stickers from my side. I am not going. I'm not promising for the delivery because of Corona thing, but I can surely say that yes, now T-shirt and stickers are available for everyone. I'm going to later open the store on Bitfume's website, but till then, you can message me, email me if you really want for the order. Thank you for that, and thank you, Nishant and Saurabh, for showing the interest for the Bitfume's T-shirt and the stickers. Janam Shah, sir, what is better for a job? That's the same thing. In Ghost CMS free is Ghost CMS. I have not used Ghost CMS, so sorry about that. So Kunal, Ghost CMS. I heard about Ghost. It's really amazing, but I have not used any of the CMSs thing. Not marketing, but everybody should watch Ankur Wariku channel. His guidance on investment is 20s is too good for bachelor. Really, really, I have watched Ankur's channel, and he's really great, and he's suggesting things in a very easy way. So that's the very important point you have to see. And Ankur, my like people call me Ankur also. So if you don't know, so I'm close to his channel in a simple way. So is Tiak Ahmed, sir, can make a crash course on Strappy.js. Strappy.js. I've heard about it. Oh, it's open. Yeah, yes, yes, I got it. Open source node headless CMS. So see, what I am having in my mind, some plans are I have is like first I'm moving with the Python framework. So we did Fast API, we did Django. Now I'm working on a Flask. Later, we will move to the node thing, and then we will move to the DevOps things like for Docker, Kubernetes, AWS things. So this is just my plan how I will going to move, but let's see what's going to happen. So please make a tutorial on Laravel 8 API. Amirul, yes, I am working on that, and after Flask, I have to put Laravel in between. So yes, that's in my list. Best way to learn Angular, React, and can I learn Pirelli? Sorry, I didn't know. Oh, I forgot to put these comments in front of you. So I'm reading this comment right now. Sorry about that. Please just message me or just comment here whenever I forgot these things. So best way to learn Angular and React. Can I learn Pirelli? I don't know about that. How many days to take master in Angular? See, you can never master any framework or language, because that's not the target. The target is to become familiar with many things. It's not about days. It's lifelong learning process. So if you're talking about the Angular, I can say you can become a professional level of Angular developer within 2 years or 1 year or 2 year of high level of practice, or if you have a project, then high level of project if you use, then you, yes, you can do that. But it's not about days. After 2 years you have to go into the deep of Laravel. You want to go into depth, you want to create packages, then you want to explore some other related things, you want to explore the conferences. So that's all a never ever stopping thing. So it's a all lifelong learning. Next one is Node versus Django, your personal opinion. Huh. That's a tough part because you have not mentioned Laravel. that's that's a hard thing for me. But personally, um, I I like Django, which is very close to the to the concept of Laravel. I'm not saying the MVC pattern. I'm not talking about the pattern. I'm talking about the developer friendly thing. So Node framework, there is no Node framework which is developer friendly apart from Adonis JS is very very close to developer. But Express, no, it's not a developer friendly. Nest.js is not a developer friendly. Koa is not a developer friendly. But Django is absolutely developer friendly. And when I say developer friendly, what that mean? See, you always need, as a developer, you always need to do 4 or 5 steps to complete one task. And if that framework is providing you 4 or 5 steps on the fly, and you just need to write one command or one line of code, that's done for you. So this is a developer friendly thing. The framework is saving time for developer. That's an amazing thing. But with Express you have to manage everything on your own. So that's like you are spending 2 3 hours just to make your project structure. That's not a good thing in my opinion. But Node or maybe Express or Flask, these are similar thing. Express or maybe Fast API are similar thing. You have to manage it on your own way. In a sense that's a good thing. But for a general developer, for like majority of developer, that's not a good thing. Because what's a good file structure for your project? If developer is not having that knowledge, then it's become very hard for them. In Django, file structure is there. You cannot put URLs in any different file. You cannot put templates in different files. So the framework is forcing you to follow a pattern. And when you follow the pattern, that become easy for the team to understand how the project is structured. Or if a new person comes into the project, that the person will know that, okay, I know Django, I know that if template I have to find that will be on the templates folder. If I have to find the models, that will be on the models.py. Same with the Laravel. If I have to find the controller, I know it's inside app HTTP controllers. So this is the very important part for the developer friendly thing. That's not in the case of Express. Until and unless you have a high level of experience, otherwise you are going to mess up with the things. You will able to complete the project, but that will not like you will not follow the principles and guidelines and rules of coding. So this is my opinion. That was a very nice question, but I still heard that you have not mentioned Laravel. So Arav, how to manage time between learning new technology and learning a stock market, what to buy and what to sell? See, in a stock market there are two things: either you can do trading or you can just invest. I suggest you for investing. I'm not saying to trade. I'm not saying to still stay aware of what to buy, what to sell, or do intraday trading. No, I'm not saying that thing. I'm saying just invest in like mutual funds, equities, these kind of things, so that you don't have to worry about that. Your task is to spend 1 hour every month just to buy some stock or maybe equity or mutual funds so that your investment will grow. That doesn't mean you always have to sit in front of the charts in front of the CNN news so to understand the market. You don't have to even understand the market. Next level is you can automate things, not not with coding. I'm saying that there are apps which is allowing you to schedule your recurring of buying, so you can every month that will automatically deduct it from your account. So that's a good thing. And apart from that thing, you just need to focus on your learning. So simple. Okay, I have a question. Can an API handle all kind of modern functionality which can serve by web app? Yes and no. Yes, because yes, it can handle, but no, I said because you cannot serve a template. You can, but that's not a part, that will not be an API. So that's why I said yes and no. If you are sending or serving files with API, so that will not become API. So I think, yeah, the answer for your question is yes, API can do all functionality to serve web app. And see, API is extremely simple in concept. Just remove the HTML from your response, and instead of returning a HTML, return either XML, JSON format of the data only. You are sending the data, that's API. If you are sending data embedded in HTML, that's a normal web page you're serving. Simple. So serving only data is API. Cool. Isn't it? And there is one more thing, like in some API you can fully pass some HTML as a data. That's a API. The response of API is kind of HTML, like let's say a button, HTML button tag, and that button tag is already embedded some data, and you are sending the full HTML with your API. That could be the case, but in general you will never send full page on API. If you are sending the full page, that's a normal web page serving. सारा टाइम इस चीज में निकल जाएगा. Okay, yes. Okay, so I'm now moving fast. Let's see your guide on testing React component. Use jest with enzyme or maybe mocha or chai. So these are things, but jest is always preferred for React. Make tutorial on Laravel with MongoDB. Yes, I have never done that. Can you do new tutorial on Laravel testing? Yes. How are you, sir? I'm fine. Ajinkya is here. How are you open paid project? Are you open for paid project? Ajinkya, just message me on Twitter, or I believe if you have my WhatsApp number, you can send. You can WhatsApp me. We will chat about what kind of project you have, and then we will see if we can proceed. Shashank says, Sarthak, any app from where we can buy Dogecoin? I have used Wazir X, but they are having some issue with the payment. There are some other apps. You can also use what's that? Let me just find the name of the app. Uphold. Yes, Uphold, eToro, these two are also good, and I use Uphold, and that's not an Indian app, that's a, I think, US app. You can buy Dogecoin, you can buy Tesla or Microsoft stock from that Uphold, but the problem is they they only accept the credit card. So you need to put the credit card, then you have to do the payment, and then you can buy things. Hey Bitfim, did you watch UFC? What's that? I don't know about UFC. Please explain. Do you have any tutorial for Nuxt with a component based form? component based form. No, I have a Next, but that's a old, very old. I have to work on a new Next project. Lots of thing to do. Did you watch UFC? Please suggest what is UFC. Sir, last tutorial you said you will get this week. Abhinav, I had some urgent work, so I didn't have time to record that. But I have recorded 3 or 4 only tutorials for Flask, but that will take time, maybe 2 week. Yes, next 2 week also it will require. That's a that's very bad from my side. Sorry for that. If I had said that this week I will raise Flask tutorial. See what happened when you create big course like 4 5 hour of course. You have to first think what new you have to do. First I have to learn Flask. Then I think that okay, I have done book app with a Django, blog app with Laravel, simple project with a Flask fast API. Then what next I can create? That's the challenge, but we'll try to complete that in 2 week. Next 2 week. You made tutorial on Laravel, Django both. What some difference you found on these two? Uh, I can say that since they obviously they are having different language, so they are having a different syntax. Apart from syntax, instead of saying the difference, I can say similarities, and which I already told you the similarity of being developer friendly in both cases. Both are really amazing, scalable, and uh, can do anything. But in my opinion, Laravel is more of in front tutorial in front framework. Why? Because Laravel officially provide amazing things. Laravel officially provide almost everything you need for developer. I'm back. Right or wrong? Hey, can you hear me? The same question always ask. I think I'm back. Right or wrong? Anyone can comment? I think now it's working. Yes. Hey, I'm back. Okay, thank you. So let's get back to the question I was answering, and now I have to move fast. So that's a hello, sir. Working on Flutter course now. Working on Dart course. Dart course is ready, almost ready. After that, Flutter. Always worked on PHP, right? Amazing. PHP is really great. So how to learn 3 4 technology parallel? How to manage time? Could you get so two important? So, oh, sorry. See, learning 2 3 different technology is very simple when you connect them. So if suppose if you are learning Django, if you're learning Flutter, or if you are learning AWS, 3 different kind of technologies. How you combine them? Create a project where you have to create an API from Django that will serve your mobile application on Flutter. You create on Flutter, and then you need to deploy that API on AWS server. So this is the thing, you combine everything you learn. So this is a simple way. And I said always that if you are spending 1 hour on learning, spend 10 hour on working or creating project or simply implementing that knowledge. Simple thing, very simple. What thought on Drupal? I just read the documentation 4 5 years ago. That's it I know about that. Laravel or Node? Always Laravel. How to upload Django app on shared hosting like cPanel? That's a tricky part. I have never done that, and I will never ever suggest to use shared hosting. Whatever amount of money you are putting on the shared hosting, just a little bit, 10 10 15% extra you have to pay and buy DigitalOcean server. Or if you have a credit card, just get the AWS account and get 1 year of free tier on AWS. That's very very simple, and you will learn a lot on that. Never ever use shared hosting. Next.js is close, close in a sense, close to your heart, that thing, or you're saying that it's now closed, finished. Did you watch? No. Once again, no. You made it learn the same thing. At a time, I learned React Angular. Easy way to get job. uh, I will suggest do not learn same kind of same similar kind of technology at a time, like React and Laravel, sorry, React and Angular both are same JavaScript framework. So either you have to learn Angular or you have to learn React, and then getting job is very easy. Showcase your learning on social media, especially on Twitter. Job will come to your DM. Sarthak, in previous days, are you working on Flutter course? I said I worked on Dart, not Flutter. Same question. Sir, main Laravel or Laravel Livewire? I always use Laravel, not Laravel Livewire. I personally don't like the concept of Laravel Livewire, but Laravel Livewire is a great thing for those who don't know JavaScript. So fast API static file mounting doesn't work. The problem lies in path. Okay, just send me message on Twitter. We'll try to fix your issue. W3 Tech is a good node framework. Oh, W3 Tech. I don't know about this thing. Right, new. Cool. Same question. How can I solve Laravel 8 passport front end? Why you need front passport, Laravel 8 passport? Either why you are using it? Is it for as a authentication or for OAuth implementation? That's the important part. GraphQL or REST API, which is better? Both has its own like use cases. GraphQL is more used when you have to query a lot for just for reading purpose. Okay, but if you have all CRUD operations, so generally I prefer fast sorry REST API, and that's a simple thing. See, in GraphQL, the main purpose of GraphQL is to have one endpoint to do all the task. And in REST API, you have to create each and every endpoint for every kind of task. So if you are having like 3,000, 10,000 endpoints, then REST API will not good for you. Then you have to use a Graph API, a GraphQL. So that's from REST API to GraphQL is a transition when your app is becoming monster. Sir, may God bless you. I studied Laravel from you, and living and supporting my family by Laravel job. Mohammed, amazing. Congratulations for you. And I'm very happy that you got job on Laravel. Where are you from, and what kind of job you are having in Laravel? It's the same thing. How old are you? I'm 30. What's your thought on Cypress end-to-end testing? Amazing framework. No need to learn about how to write tests. It will do everything for you. Amazing, amazing, amazing. If you get chance, go and learn it. Same thing. Why people asking you about UFC? What is UFC? Can anybody is going to tell me? Nice way of teaching. I like it. Nice. I am unable to download Spatty Laravel package tutorial introduction 5. Oh, really? This is strange. We'll try to see that thing. Hi bro, Laravel Octane stable version is now out. Can you make it? Yes, I saw that. I saw that Laravel Octane is out version 1, and Taylor has mentioned that, and I'll surely do that. Do the tutorial on that. REST API, that's good. Any plan of Flutter? Yes, Dart is ready. Will release very soon. Okay. That's I missed something. I jumped. That's done. That also done. Listening. One more. Okay. So we were here. And after that, you're talking about Laravel and Django difference. Yeah, so that's not a difference. I said that similarities are good. Like both are Laravel and Django are developer friendly. Both have many extractions of code, like they are hiding the complex part from your from developer and doing the task in one line of code. So that's the thing. So can we get a professional tutorial series Laravel with Angular? Not with the Angular, because I don't personally like Angular. We are developing engineer calculation course. Some calculation may take few minutes. Is it a good idea to serve it as a REST API serving using Fast API or Django REST? I believe try Fast API. It's very nice, quick, and that's not Fast API learning curve is very simple. The learning curve of Django is little harder because of the documentation is really amazing, but that the understanding of documentation is hard. Once you get how the documentation is written, then it will become easy. But that's a huge hurdle. You first need to understand how the documentation is written. But for the Fast API, documentation is super amazing. Wow, I really like that. Can you make bot for trading? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Many people are doing that, but I personally don't want to do that because I don't have that much of knowledge of trading. So if you or anybody, if anybody have every kind of knowledge for trading, then yes, he can create a trading bot. When Laravel View new version is released, please make some video about different changes and new old version. Is it will be very helpful. Sure, Razu. The point is Laravel is still working in Laravel, is still working in 8 version. Vue 3 is released, and I have 10 hour of Vue course. React 17 doesn't have any changes, so that's why I didn't have that video, and I always try to do that. Give me some tips to understand ready project. Understand ready project. Start from the if any project start from the routes or URLs. So go to the URLs and see what kind of URLs you have. Pick one URL and go to and see where it is pointing, and then go to that controller. If you are on Laravel, if you are on Django or any other project, then go to that file, see what they are doing. So this is a starting point is always going to be the routes file, right? Best platform for freelancer according to you? Upwork is amazing in my opinion. I have suggested many people and they are earning very nice. What should I use, React or Vue? Use which you really like. Use Golang. Sure. What is the new in PHP ML? I don't think PHP ML will grow since PHP is slow compared to other I don't know. I've never tried. So I'm from Kerala, working in Cochin, working on an e-commerce platform for German client. Thanks a lot. Amazing, Mohammed. That's amazing thing. Great. Do you suggest to learn React before doing project with vanilla JavaScript? If you're doing project with vanilla JavaScript, you don't need React. But before learning React, you have to have good knowledge on vanilla JavaScript. Make on Flutter UI only. Ah, okay, got it. Can some series on package how to utilize them and to use them where needed? We'll try video on Flutter. That's good. Which framework is good only to create API? Simple and easy. In PHP, obviously Laravel is good. In Python, Fast API is amazing to create APIs, just APIs. In Node, Express or Nest is good. I don't know, someone is saying Nest is closed. I didn't get that thing. Create bot with Laravel, use botman. I tried, but I didn't like that concept. Hello, sir. How are you doing? Can you make course on Slim 4? No, I don't think I will do on Slim, but I don't know about the future. Okay, so anyone who want freelancing in web dev as a beginner, they are not gonna project for sure on Fiverr and Upwork. So suggest where to start. Even I want to work for free of cost. How to build a contacts. You have to share whatever you are learning on social media platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn. Once you have some following, having some engagements on your content, then just ping people and ask them for project. There is no shame, there is no unethical about that. Asking for project, go DM people and directly, obviously you cannot directly say, hey, do you have any project for me? No, like not like that, but make friendship, and then politely ask, hey, do you, if you ever have any kind of project for me, I do these kind of things, and if something comes to you, if you can forward me, that will be good. And you can obviously offer them some share, that if you give me $100 of project, then I will give you $10 or $20. So that's, you can do the deal. What about PHP Slim? And I don't think, I don't have any knowledge of that. You skipped my question third time now. I am going to Shivam, I don't know where is your question. Let me find it. See, I have lots of question, and pick I try to pick every question, but I don't know how I miss some questions. That's very bad. I want your suggestion on how to scale a web app horizontally for handling 1 million user on a budget. You don't want to get locked in a particular service. Hmm. That's not my expertise. I believe this is a serverless thing and auto scaling. That's a DevOps thing. I'm not that much of a DevOps person, so I'm not good person to answer this. But I can suggest you to find some YouTube channel where they are explaining, just explaining the scaling, or scaling the web apps, and ask this question to that person. So I believe they will easily going to answer your question. So congratulations on passing 4K on Twitter. How do you build network following starting from zero? Ah, you're asking me. So it took me 3 years to do just 4K. That's very, very hard. But the no, it's not actually hard. It's like very simple in the sense that you just need to share a content that people like, not you like. But what I do, I share what I like. That's why it's just 4K. If you share what people like, then you will easily get more following. That's my concept. Upload MERN stack project. cool. People say PHP 8 is not compatible. Use PHP 7. Many things are changed in PHP 8. So people are still using why Laravel? People are still using PHP 7.4, I believe, yes. But surely coming weeks, or not coming weeks, in coming month, the 8 will be on the main line. What is your view on that's good? Done. Thank you. I think it's a game of patience and keep learning and developing. I think, yeah. Okay, that's good. Thank you, Rishabh. Sorry about that, Rishabh. I have worked on more than 7.5 years of experience. I worked on core PHP, coding Nightingale, Laravel, Vue, React, Nux, deploy, and serverless Lambda. Cloud. Now I'm learning Flutter. Oh, Dibya, very high level of experience you have, and I need to learn from you. And that's good that you're learning Flutter, but I think people, I think you have to share how you manage to learn all these technologies. So that will be good. I will also going to learn from your side, but Laravel is best for me. Good. Okay. Morning from Maldives. Thank you. And if the corona is not there, if everything will be right, then I will visit Maldives for a holiday trip. So I wish we can meet. Uh, Possibility of Angular tutorial? I don't think Angular. I stay away from Angular. What about Angular? How you're doing to create same staying away from Angular? I don't know why. How can you use one repository logic to another repository if possible to make a tutorial on repository pattern? Yes, sure. What is Bitbucket? It's like a GitHub. Same GitHub, GitLab, then Bitbucket. So I think it's now time to end this live. It's almost 50 minutes and we are here. And if you have any question, just ping me. If you want this Bitfumes t-shirt, and if you want a sticker, then you can get it from me. You just need to message me on Twitter, or maybe on just WhatsApp me if you have my number. If you don't have anything, just email me on sarthak@bitfumes.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Bitfumes newsletter. And you can join the Discord. And both Discord link and newsletter link is available at the top of here. This one. This top, it's at the top of the comment section. You will find it. You will find that the both links, newsletter link and Discord link. So in the Discord, we have more than 200 people. We need to have more people on that. I want to cross 500 people on Discord server. So just help me for that. And in that, what's that? Newsletter. In newsletter, I have almost 2,500 people. So I want to cross 3,000. So help me on that also. So your help is my like happiness. So please do that. Kiran is also asking for Bitfume t-shirt. So yes, you can order that, and to order this order, you can just message me on Twitter, or you can WhatsApp me and send me email for that. Oh, one more question. Let's see. Git is version control system. Bitbucket is a service provider. Okay, right. It's the same concept like Git and GitHub. So Git and Bitbucket. Okay, so time to say bye-bye. Thank you everyone for your time, for attending this live session. And I'm very thankful for all of you. Just thank you. So we will meet in the next Sunday live. Until then, goodbye.